Hello, chicken. Hi, everybody. Me and Melody, we are going to feed the chicken. Come on, raise your vegetables upstairs. Let's see. Raise your vegetable. Raise the vegetable. Ooh, we are going to feed chicken with this. Ooh, and look at another chicken feed. Then look at the chicken. Hello, chickens. How are you? Where are the others? All right, we are coming inside.
Let's eat the chicken.
Yes, so let's go feed that chicken.
No, this way.
Hello, chicken.
Mommy,
How are you guys? Where are you going to? Come on, I'm bringing your food. Okay? No.
No.
Go inside. Mamma mia. Hello, chicken. I want to sweep you. How are you?
No.
How are you?
No, Mommy, don't here.
Don't worry, they will not come outside. Yeah.
Please.
Just give them vegetables to eat.
Mommy, egg.
Yes, so eggs.
Mommy, Mommy, chicken poop. Mommy.
Hello to chicken. Look at me. This is how we feed chicken. Woohoo! See you guys. Ciao. Yeah, they are eating. They like vegetables.